What is up, people? Dwight here. Ugly Face Media, aka Willie White, Ugly Face, Real Patriot. Sorry I ain't got a shirt on. Fucking tired. Should be sleeping right now, but I'm not. I know it's daylight, but I work night shifts. But want to play this, and then I'm gonna show you all the evidence I got and all the illegal nonsense that they've been pulling on me here in court. This is like my arrest from the time I walked in the doors. You see me right here getting ready to walk in the door in the video I'm about to play. Um, I was in there less than 6 minutes by the time they called the cops on me. Less than 6 minutes. So, no, I'm not on TikTok. So I'm going to play this and listen to what's being said. As soon as I step in, I get searched automatically. Pockets emptied, wanded, checked for metal. I even asked the dude, isn't this a violation of my civil rights? Against a violation of my Fourth Amendment? And you hear him reply, this is private property. And you hear me instantly tell him, this is public. And it all started from there. Like, this guy, I guess, well, what he is, his name is TJ. He is a bounty hunter. That is all he is. He is a constable. He's not even a police officer. He's a glorified security guard, is what these constables are here in Pennsylvania. That's all they really are. When they go to make arrests, they have to have local police or state police with them to make arrests because, like I said, they're just basically glorified security. So I'm going to play this video. And listen, I know it's the audio ain't going to be that great at first, but just listen and watch. See, you heard him, private property. And he's only allowed to do a weapons check on me. In other words, lift my shirt up, have me look around, and pat my pockets down. That's a weapon check. Not empty out the contents of my pockets.
Chad Nicholson.
Now, as you see, I did not walk around the lobby at all. You notice I did not walk around the lobby at all. I went to the door and went straight to the window. Nobody was recorded. Not a single person was recorded yet. Just watch.
Yeah, 50. I want to see my court dockets first. My name was misspelled last time. I want to make sure my information is correct before I do any payments.
See, my paperwork's all screwed up, and I'm telling them they need to fix it. It's the second time I've been there to get it fixed. As you see, she was all like, it's all good, no problem. See, still right in front of the window and not turning away from nothing. Just watch. I do nothing illegal. I take no information from nobody. I never even put their so-called wannabe HIPAA, rules that they try to push on you. Never even come close to the breaching that at all.
My name was misspelled last time on all the documents. Like almost every single thing except for my ticket. Incorrect.
Okay, that's because the way the officer wrote.
Well, that's not me.
Well, what is your name?
It's Nicholson, not Nicholson, not Eason.
How do you spell it?
Nichollson.
See? Was there again to pay a fine, and they still didn't even spell my name right. And I have the other video of me recording the time right before that with the same woman telling her that my name's misspelled.
I don't have to pay a fine that's not directed to me. You can't give a warrant to a false name. Can't give a warrant to a false name.
I was there paying a fine. That's why I was there. See, look, that dog's not supposed to be there. And she knows something's up. She sees me recording. She's thinking about it. What is this guy doing? What is he up to? See, that dog's not even supposed to be there. That actually is a violation because you can't have a non-service dog in a public building. That is actually law. So you're watching a judge literally, openly breaking the law in front of the people, not even caring.
O-L-S-O-N.
There's the judge. There's my complainant. There's my complainant, aka my judge. See, handed him money. Handed him money. Fines paid. They don't owe nothing. They have no authority over me anymore. My fine's paid. From the time she took that money, they have no authority over me anymore. I'm a free citizen now. Oh wait, it's about to pop off. Watch Miss Tie Dye. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yeah. John is recording us right here. And there's the sign.
You can get arrested for that.
I'm in a public lobby.
You're not allowed to record in a court facility.
I'm not in a court facility. Past that courtroom. Past that door right there.
You're not allowed to record in a court facility.
It's a public lobby. You can ask him.
Call the police.
We can talk to him.
You're not arrested, that's all. You're not allowed to record in a facility.
See, and that was my arrest. Yeah, that's what happened right there. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Of course, for my personal safety, I have my address blocked on my documents. This is the police report. There's my case. Criminal complaint. Hey, look, I was over 20 pounds heavier than I am now. Ha ha. So let's get through this. Arresting officer. A sergeant of all things. A sergeant. Like, yes, I know my cam is frozen on the other end. It's because I'm using this end. So, before anybody says anything, yes, my face is froze. Okay, so we'll go through here. They're hitting me with 5103.1A. A person commits an offense if a person in any manner for any purposes uses or operates a device to capture, record, transmit, broadcast, photograph, or video monitor picture or audio of a proceeding or a person within a judicial facility or in an area adjacent to or immediately surrounding the judicial facility without approval of the court presiding judicial officer or except as provided by rules of court, aka the Constitution. I have that. Sorry, people. Sorry, officer, you're wrong. Accused did record either audio or videotape in court facility. Yes, I did. Now, here's his statement. On March 2nd, 2020, approximately 9:54 or 9:58 hours, received information from the Honorable Judge Ronald Haggerty and the Pennsylvania State Constable. Okay. And the state constable Jerry Soros, or Soros, whatever it is, aka JT. The defendant, Chad Nicholson, did record and use an audio device, recording device, in their court facility located at 404 South Pittsburgh Street in Connellsville, PA. The defendant, Chad Nicholson, did voluntarily admit to doing so, and he stated that the court lobby is open to the public. Personal observation by affidavit and defendant Nicholson to possess a cell phone capable of video and audio recording. So that is my police report. So now, as you see, even in the police report,
here are some results from a search.
No, I don't need no. Shut up, Google. But as you see, even in my police report, it says the complainant is Judge Haggerty and the constable. Now, my court comes up. Who's the court with? Magistrate name, Honorable Judge Haggerty. Now, wait a second. He's the victim, right? So he holds a court date with me on April 23rd. Right? This was on March 5th. This is 3 days after I was arrested. So then, get ready to go to that court date, and then get my fingerprints. That's my fingerprint order. That's my hearing of notice. April 23rd. So he reschedules my hearing from April 23rd. Now this is key what I'm showing you. This is key what I'm showing you. To May 21st. Rescheduled my hearing. Right? Okay, not a problem. So I go to that court date. And he's the judge of this court. As you see, the judge. Now, let's go back to the police report. And we'll read. Informant from the Honorable Judge Ronald Haggerty and Pennsylvania State Constable Jerry Soros. Now, so he's complainant. He's 100% the complainant, but he's the judge, right? So he changed the court date to the 21st. So he holds a court date. What's he give me? He gives me a plea of 4 months probation and 2 months house arrest. My exact words in court was, shove that up your ass. So he tells me that I need to wait outside, that they need to discuss some things. So they sent their little patsy out there. Sergeant Dan Whistler, to come out and talk to me, to see if that I would work with them, if I would be willing to take a plea, which again, I said, shove it up your ass. I looked at Officer Whistler with my father in the car, and I said, isn't it illegal for the complainant to be the judge? He goes, yeah. He goes, I think so. He goes, let me go talk to the judge about this, but wait. Yes, it is absolutely illegal. It's a violation of my 6th Amendment. On top of that, he held the court date already. He smacked the gavel and opened the court date, gave me a court date, and threatened me to be there under threat of arrest, because it states if I wasn't at this court date, I would be arrested. So I showed up. I had the court date. I spoke to the man. I told the man to shove his plea up his ass. Okay? Told this man to shove the plea up his ass. So what happens? After I tell Officer Whistler this, that should have upheld the Constitution, knowing that he just violated the 6th Amendment, what happens next, people? What do you think happens? You want to see some more craziness? Oh, what is this? And now, the 22nd day of May, the Magistrate District Judge Ronald Haggerty, Jr., Connellsville, 14-1, has disqualified himself above site complaint filed in his office. And the venue is transferred hereby to the Magistrate Judge Richard Kasumic on Star Junction. Therefore, Magistrate Judge Haggerty is directed to transfer all magistrated papers concerning said matter to Magistrate District Judge Kasumic for adjudication therefore. But wait! He disqualified himself from this, and he gave it to another judge after he already violated my Sixth Amendment. Wait, I got so much more to show you guys. So, it goes to Judge Kasumic. I have a court date on July 23rd. So I go to that court date, right? Show up, and I was told that my case is no longer with Kasumic, that he disqualified himself. Now look at the dates. I had court with him supposedly on the 23rd, right? And he knew that my case was coming in to him on the 22nd, right, of May. So 1 month later, 1 month and 1 day, I was supposed to come to him. So he doesn't contact me and disqualifies himself. Like, look at this. Disqualifies himself. And now on the 27th day of July, Magistrate Judge Richard A. Kasumic II of Star Junction has disqualified himself from above cited complaint in his office, and now the venue is transferred herewith the Magistrate District Michael Meters of Uniontown 14101. Therefore, Magistrate District Kasumic II is directed to transfer all material papers concerning the matter to Magistrate District Meters for adjudication. Therefore, now, so that's another judge that disqualified himself. The reason why the first judge disqualified himself is I caught him on his bullshit. I caught him on him violating my Sixth Amendment. And the sergeant allowed all this. And he's supposed to be on our side. Remember, the police are supposed to be for us. They're supposed to protect us against tyrannical government. Right? And that police officer didn't do nothing. Oh, wait. It gets so much better. You ain't going to believe this story, but, oh, this is all true. So, I get sent to Judge Meters, August 25th, 2020. Right? So I go to Meters, and Judge Haggerty testifies against me. Right? Testifies against me. And as I'm getting ready to give my case, the state police officer that was there literally took my cell phone from me and said I'm not allowed to have a cell phone in court, even though my whole entire court case is on the cell phone. My video is on my cell phone. There's no other way I can get it. They take my cell phone. Okay, whatever. He testifies. They send it to criminal court. Even though this judge knew damn well that Judge Haggerty violated my civil rights. Knew damn well. So then, August 27th comes around, I have another court date with Kasumic. Both days, Judge Haggerty and Officer Whistler rode in the same vehicle, in Officer Whistler's pickup truck. They rode to Kasumic's, or not Kasumic's, wait, that's Kasumic's. They rode to Meters in the same vehicle, which that right there should tell you something's wrong. So then I get this. This is sent to criminal court. So now I'm in criminal court process. So September 17th, I get put on a $10,000 bill. I had to waive my counsel. Here is my plea, my criminal advisory that they give me from the criminal division. So here is where we're catching up now after all that fuckery, right? I still seen another judge. I'm still got to grab some more paperwork. But I also seen Judge Leskinen for formal arraignment. And I see Nancy Vernon for formal arraignment. That's two judges that are on there. Now it comes down to Judge Leskinen told me that I would have to wait the first 2 weeks of last month for my trial. If my name wasn't called, I'd have to wait the next 2 weeks of next month until my name was called. Well, I showed up at the beginning of the month and checked if I was on a trial list, and sure enough, I wasn't on no list whatsoever. They didn't even know I was supposed to be in trial, right? So then I get this in the mail the other day. Right here. August 30th, 2021, 1:30 p.m. Right? I have to go there. This is the call of the list. Courtroom 4. This is when they're going to ask me if I'm going to accept a plea bargain out of the one plea bargain that they gave me, and I told them to shove all the pleas up their ass. So then after that date, then my trial starts right there. And instead of me having to wait the whole week like Judge Leskinen tried to tell, the 2 weeks, like Judge Leskinen says, it says you must be present for trial 9/7/21 to 9/10. 3 days. 3 days. 3 freaking days. So, now that you see what's going on, I want to show you some other stuff. We're going to pull up this one. This is a great code. Great code. I love this code. 28 U.S. Code 455. Disqualification of justice, judge, or magistrate judges. Any judge or any justice, judge, or magistrate judge of the United States shall disqualify himself in any proceedings in which his and sorry, I need a drink. Choking on my own spit. Oh, impartiality might reasonable by question. He shall disqualify himself in the following circumstances: where he has a personal bias, which he did. He's my defendant. He's my complainant. It's automatic violation of this law right there. The minute that he started that court right there, the minute he smacked the gavel and opened the case up for me and had me in there and they gave me a plea, done deal. The minute he spoke to me about a court case, he violated this law. He violated this law instantly. Were you biased or prejudice concerning of party or person's knowledge to dispute evidentiary facts concerning the following proceedings? Where in private practice no. Where he is served in governmental employee and in such capabilities or participated as counsel, advisor, material witness. Material witness. He testified against me in another court. He definitely is the witness. He's the victim. He's the complainant. Tell me that ain't some shit. Now wait, we ain't done. We ain't done. Let's hit him where it hurts. Where do you want to hit him at? Code of conduct for judges here in the United States. Let's pull this one up. You guys are going to love this. This is their code of conduct. This is what all judges have to abide by at all given times. And you ain't going to believe this, right? Listen. Canon 1. A judge should uphold the integrity and independence of the judiciary. Well, there is no integrity if my rights are being violated. That automatically terminates integrity. 2. A judge should avoid, and importantly, an appearance, and it's right here at 3. A judge should perform the duties of the office fairly, impartially, and diligently. Well, it's very biased. You see what I'm saying? Judges may engage in extra activity. No, judges should refrain from political activity, compromising with the code of conduct, compliance to the database. But as you see, it violates their first code and their third code. Now wait. Oh, wait. Watch this. Come here, Googles. Where you at, Googles? Google. Um, In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right of a speedy trial, which this is pushing to getting over. This is well over a year, year and a half. The right to a speedy trial and a public trial. Well, I'm not allowed to have a jury. I'm having a non-jury trial, so I guess it ain't public. By an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall be previously as extended by law, and those to be informed of the nature and cause of the conclusions, to be confronted with the witness against him, to have compulsory progress for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have abstinence of counsel for his defense. See, I don't have a right to a speedy trial. Plus, there's other. Hang on there. There's another part to it. Let me find it. It says in here, it's where's the part about judge servants? I like to call them servants because that's what they are. See, because he'd be part of the jury is how they put in there, because he's actually part of the system. And I want to show you guys something here in Pennsylvania. I know it's weird how you have to look up stuff. Abstractly, rarely invoked by the Supreme Court in diverse contexts, the maximum neo edicta or edicts and suco causa, no man should be the judge of his own case. It is widely thought to capture the bedrock principles of natural justice and constitutionalism. See, it's what it keeps saying. And he's his own judge. Think about it. He is the complainant. He's being in his own court. He is the one that's charging me. He is my complainant. He has no right to do none of this. Let me see. Impartial jury of the state. See, I'm getting screwed so bad. So bad. There's some other stuff I gotta look up. There's something else. Boom. I know I had something else. I'll have to find it later. But yeah, that's what's going on, people. So, now you see that it's oh yeah, hang on. I know what it's going to show you. I know what I'm going to show you guys. County. Now, if in the video you guys see the number to these courthouses, feel free to call and voice your opinion. Feel free. Now, I want to show you. Look at the dates on these file dates. Okay, here's one judge. No, I don't want that. Are they? Yep, they're getting rid of them. Heh. Calendar date. Call the list. As you guys see. Call the list. Call the list. Watch out, people. Watch out. And look, it's kind of ironic because you know I'm a stoner, right? Look at my docket number. 420-2020. But remember, folks, call it American Dreams. You gotta be asleep to believe it.